Okay, time to do laundry. It's been 2 weeks since I got to Mito, and the last time I did the laundry was when I was still in the hotel. So there's a nearby laundromat, like literally like 1 minute by walking. So we're gonna go over there right now. So these ones are washer dryers. These are all dryers. And over there you can get a point card, get like 10 yen off. But in general, these guys are like about $10 each per wash dry session. And then they also have a sneaker washer. Very interesting. Yep. Pretty big. Also, interestingly, a coincidence, as I was like trying to decide which one to use, the other AET that I saw last weekend, he showed up and he needed to use one of the dryers, and he's an expert of this place, so he helped me out. I didn't know that he lives so close, but he said he's like 5-10 minutes away. I mean, the chances of him being here in this time window, it's funny how I just end up seeing people all the time. All right, 4 more minutes. It's hot. Alright, check it out. So this is the farmer's market right across from me. For only about $18, I got some bread, enoki, inarizushi, mung bean sprouts. I got some tofu, mapo tofu sauce, a dozen eggs, 2 dozen eggs, sesame oil. Now I can put it in my refrigerator. Haha. Never been so excited about having a refrigerator. I don't have a bowl to scramble eggs on. Taste it. Itadakimasu. It's just eggs being eggs. They're delicious. Anyways, that's it for my lunch. So we're gonna go check out that kickboxing place. There's only 1 hour left until they close. Hopefully they're open. I really want to check out this. I think it looks like an Italian restaurant. Looks really fancy. Anyway, it seems really quiet right now. It feels like a really good temperature to bike. It feels really chill right now. I'm enjoying it. Just leisurely biking. Oh, looks like I made it. Well, they're pretty cool. Talked with the owner. It's super chill, and it's like 8,000 yen per month. That would allow me to basically come anytime. It's like unlimited basically. So definitely I will come tomorrow. It is smaller than I expected, but they have a lot of equipment. They'll allow me to borrow stuff. See what happens tomorrow, but I'm excited. Alright, I'm gonna go to the station. Let's go. It started raining. Just hope it stops when I come back to this station, because I don't have an umbrella. They call the M50 Kiss M here. It's just marketing, but it's exactly the same as the M50. Check out these ND filters. I'm not sure if I'll get them because they seem kind of dirty. Marume. Only the Filipinos will get this. I am now a very big fan of hojicha. Anyways, just got back home. It's about 7:40 p.m. already. So happy that I finally got to check out that kickboxing place. And I really wanted to sign up. I was like, where's the form? And he's like, oh, when, you know, just on the first day. And I was like, yeah, I'll be here tomorrow. Also pretty cool that it's already halfway through the month. And he was like, yeah, it's halfway through the month. So like, you'll just pay half of the monthly fee. So it's like $100 to start, or 1,000,000 yen, 8,000 yen for guys. I got asked what my weight is, and I was like, oh, interesting, which makes sense. It's, you know, kickboxing, they usually keep weight. And I was like, yeah, I'm pretty heavy, I'm about this weight, and he didn't even flinch. He was just like, oh, okay. Also, really cool thing, I asked him like, what if I pay in cash every month? And he was like, yeah, I think that'll work. And I'm like, wow, I kind of prefer paying in cash because I know that I'm eventually gonna move, and so that would just be less of a hassle. Also, hold up. I was going through big camera and I was trying to find a modem and a router. Couldn't find a modem for some reason, or maybe I just can't read. So I ended up just getting a LAN cable just so that I could like directly plug into my laptop. Hopefully that works. And what I'm gonna do is basically just check the speed. After getting the cable, I was like, oh, I have some extra time before the train. So I was like going around. I saw a backpack that was just like 1,700 yen, and I was like, whoa, this is cool. But I didn't get that one. Instead, I got 27-liter backpack, kind of a gym bag type thing, and it's only like 2,700 yen. Usually I'll find something like this for like 60, 70 bucks. Okay, now time to get some cooking done using the big boy. It's not even that big, but see? Little boy, big boy. Always so satisfying. Mapo tofu sauce, add some moyashi, and some enoki, and some tofu. I don't think I got the right tofu. I don't have a spoon. What I'm planning to do is use chopsticks and bread. Let's taste this bread, by the way. This is the one from the farmer's market across from my place. Itadakimasu. Okay. Alright. Itadakimasu. Yeah, it's super oily from all the sesame oil I used. Cut a piece, let it soak, because I don't have rice. I'm pretty sure I got the wrong tofu. I need a more firm one. Anyways, that's it for cooking. Good morning. I didn't finish my little tofu thing yesterday, so I'm gonna eat that. 8:20 a.m. The other teacher, who is my neighbor but upstairs, he invited me to worship. Church is not open right now in Mito because of coronavirus, so we're just gonna watch a service. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go to the kickboxing place. I'm on my way to the kickboxing place. It might rain today. Hopefully the kickboxing thing goes well. Might be there for like a couple hours. Let's go! Kickboxing was really fun, really hard. I did it for like 2.5 hours-ish. And then afterwards, I went to Uniqlo. I went to a different Uniqlo from the one I went to last week. And I guess I can't return an item from a different store. I can do an exchange, however, and it could be any different item. It could be more expensive, it could be cheaper, it could be multiple items. I got 2 items, they were a lot cheaper, and then they just give me change, but they said that they can only do the change in cash. They can't put it back into the card, which I'm totally cool with. All right, so now I'm heading back home. Let's go. Found a really cool playground. Pretty cool. I completely forgot that I ordered something from Amazon yesterday. I did a Prime membership, just a trial, 30 days, but probably gonna pay for it. Really interesting thing. So because I worked at Amazon before, their boxes look really neat. This stuff right here looks similar. The shipping label. There's a spool label in the bottom. This is activated using water to make it stick. It's so neat. And interesting. They don't use dunnage, they use air bubbles. I got my laundry basket. Yo, this is massive. Laundry full. I thought maybe this was a little too big, but now I have a laundry basket. On the way home from the kickboxing place, I went to go to Kasumi to do some grocery. I got some katsuobushi. I bought a set of 5 personal chopsticks and 2 pairs of cooking chopsticks, so they're really big. They're a lot longer. I got bowls, like these paper bowls, because I don't have bowls. I got spoons, natto, cabbage, kontsiu, some mapo tofu seasoning. I got some shabu shabu meat, because I want some meat that are easy to cook. 4 packs of tofu. I got 3 slices of bread left. I'm gonna turn it into like a French toast type thing. So big. Looks good. So while I cook this, let me tell you my experience with level 4 kickboxing. They're super cool. I like them a lot. They were super curious about the Philippines, and like they were asking me to teach them some Tagalog. They were curious about Kali, you know, Eskrima. Surprisingly, they didn't ask me to teach them English, even though I told them I'm an English teacher. Yeah, they're just really cool people, and I think I'm gonna really enjoy my time over there. And yeah, my stamina's gone. Like I almost cramped just on the warm-up. But they were very surprised, like they were like, oh wow, your form is already like pretty good. But I suck at kicking. The way they kick is very different from what I learned. The way I kick is largely based on how I learned how to kick when I was in karate. So much, Lord. Itadakimasu! That's it, you know, just meat by itself. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Definitely need to lose a lot more weight. Because we only did, that was 2 sets of 3-minute jump rope rounds, and I was dying. Like I couldn't complete the whole thing. But they do use very heavy jump ropes. For a second I was like, oh crap, how am I gonna get home? I rode a bike here. Gochusou-sama deshita.